Hey everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a YouTube video into PowerPoint. If you are ready, let's get started. First, go to the YouTube video you want to embed in PowerPoint and click Share. Then click Embed. Copy the entire code by clicking the Copy button, and go back to PowerPoint. Click the Insert tab above. Click on Video in the newly opened tab. Click on Online Videos. Paste the embed code you copied from YouTube here, and click Insert. As you can see, the YouTube video has been successfully inserted to the PowerPoint worksheet. I hope this tutorial video on how to insert a YouTube video into PowerPoint was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.